Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Dollar Tree and Tuesday and Michaels. So from the Dollar Tree, I think I showed this, but I can't remember if I did. That's the door hanger says pineapple. I think I did because I think I was talking about pen, pineapple, apple pen. One of those earworms, and these are just on the dollar store stickers, which are just adorable. So two of these, and these are like sea creatures, and these animal ones. I think it's another one. I had two of these. They're just so cute. I'm thinking about making some tags with those. I thought it would be really cute. This one, these animal ones for layout for the zoo trip we did. My grandson that had this one, the flamingo one, and also the circus. Could also do a circus layout with some of those as well. So that's from the Dollar Tree. And then from Michaels, my daughter just got some cord, some stretchy cord. We used some coupons. And these were some notebooks. So they're different colors. And then I just got some repositional glue dots. And then my grandson, who keeps saying he wants to write a book one day. And we've made some. I used my cinch to make some. But this is hardbound, which is kind of what he wanted, one that was hardbound. But he likes to sketch and to draw. So I thought this might be a cute one. So my daughter got that for him. The little artist loft, and I think these are normally like $5 as a standard price, and it's like 110 sheets in it. And she also found him this cute little book, drawing animal shape by shape. So if a child can draw circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles, they can help them learn how to draw animals. So they're based off those shapes, but it can help, you know, a child that's interested in art maybe learn how to draw. He doesn't, I mean, he likes painting somewhat, because I was going to put him in an art class, but he really said he just wanted to focus on drawing more so than the mixed media or painting or different stuff like that. Because most of the art classes around here are more mixed media or painting, but he just wants to do the drawing. So haven't seemed to have found one that just does drawing for little young kids. So she got him that book, and I just thought I'd share that because I thought it was cute. In case somebody else has a young one that likes to draw, maybe. You know, it's always good to have kids learn how to, you know, pick up on some maybe talents that they have, or discover there's something that they like as an outlet. So we thought we'd go with this. And so the name of it again is Drawing Animals Shape by Shape by Christopher Hart Brooks for kids. Says he's sold over 7 million books. But anyways, I just thought I would share that in case somebody's interested, if they have a child or grandchild that's young that maybe likes to draw. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.